For our second animal friend, thank you so much po, sir. We'll be doing the animal display. Pwede lang ako po, sir? Okay. Our next featured from Southeast Asia, Spot, the medium-sized raptor, aka the crested serpent eagle. They are reptile eater as they hunt lizards and snakes. And when they rest on blankets, they are commonly mistaken as owl because of the large, googly eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman po natin. Okay, next, volunteer. Oh yes, ma'am, halika na po. Hello, ma'am, good morning. What's your name? Ma'am Camille. Tingin lang po sa harap, Ma'am Camille. Are you ready? Yes, okay, now. Ipinapakilala ko po si Falco, the white umbrella cockatoo. Now my question is, ba't po sila tinawag na white umbrella cockatoo? Kasi po, sa tuktok ng kanilang ulo, pag nag-open, ay parang umbrella. Kaya tinawag na white umbrella cockatoo. And of course, the genuine neck parrot, Alicia. At alam niyo po ba na ang mga parrots ay madali lang ma-identify based from two colors. Okay, everyone, a round of applause. Thank you so much, ma'am. And isa pa, alam niyo po ba na ang mga parrots din ay kilala sa pagiging matalino? So, now, let's just watch Alicia in 3, 2, 1, go! Panuorin po natin siyang mag-fire. Very good, Alicia. You can do it. There you go. And nag-shoot ng wings. Very good. You can do it, Alicia. There you go. Oops. Okay. And pangatlong obstacle is mag-charge ng garbage. Very good, Alicia. There you go. At ang panghuli, mag-shoot ng balls. Okay. There you go. Last two, Alicia. Very good. And last one. Okay. Palakpakan naman po natin, guys. Okay. So ngayon naman po, kailangan ko ng one female ato volunteer. One female ato volunteer. Sino po? Babae po yung kailangan namin is-try. One female ato volunteer.